so Kenny D. Belmonte, may experience ka na ba sa networking? First time ba?
First time po.
First time. So, what's your question today? So,
Kaya ako po yung sumalang kasi gusto ko pong maunawaan kung ano yung mga dapat na unang i-consider with doing network marketing po.
okay.
Kasi yun po yung wala akong background eh.
I think that the first thing that you need to think about is the decision. Bakit kayo nag-decide na sumali sa iFern? What was the decision for you to invest more than 1 million pesos?
Siguro po yung yung sense kasi na from us na magkakaroon ng mga downline, makita rin silang yumaman habang yumayaman kami. Yung kasi in-explain sa amin eh. Basically, parang nung una, kikita tayo niyan. Pero nung pinag-uusapan namin ng asawa ko yung mangyayari, tulad ng ginagawa namin sa mga clients namin, offering affordable products. Naintindihan ko dun sa sabi ng mga nila ma'am, yung natutulungan din yumaman kahit yung mga parang para sa iba imposible ng yumaman. So gusto namin yung ganun.
Well, definitely we have a bigger track record and longer track record about creating millionaires. More than 700 na yung kumita ng 1 million sa iFern. 144 yung kumita ng 5 million. More than 700 yung nagkaroon ng kotse sa iFern. Tapos sa 15 na po yung kumita ng 50 million up to 300 million, 15, in 7 years. Okay? So, my dream is to create 1 million millionaires. Okay? Nasa 700 pa lang, malayo pa. No? So, we welcome people like you who are interested in making other people rich. Sabi nga nila, when you help somebody to achieve their dream, then they will help you to achieve your dream also. The easiest way I can teach you right now, if you want to start off on the right foot, tamang paraan yung pagpapalaki ng negosyo, is to enroll in iFern Academy. Okay, so yung success mo sa other businesses ninyo, galing ninyo yan, na napalaki ninyo yung una yung negosyo, naging 2 negosyo, naging 3 negosyo, galing ninyo yan, Kung meron man nagturo sa inyo or wala, I don't know, but the fact that you were able to grow 3 successful businesses, it means you know something about traditional business. iFern or the networking industry done correctly, definitely it's a non-traditional business. It is a business that's higher than traditional business. It is a business that's higher than the franchising business. Business buhay ang negosyo. Maraming opportunity na nandyan, maraming pagkakataon na pwedeng magkamali. Okay, dito sa iFern, ang lamang may magtuturo sa'yo. Okay. The most important thing here in this business, if you want to earn continuously, is duplication. Sa akin, you are starting with the right team. Right now, we have iFern Academy. Please enroll so that you can learn. But syempre, at the end of the day, it's about application. Did I answer your question?
Yes po.